How to edit a rotate your phone effect on VN Editor app. What's up everyone? In this tutorial I'm going to show you how you can easily create a rotate your phone edit using the VN Editor. Let's get started. First thing first, you'll have to launch the app and you will see an option to create a new project. So just tap on it. It will ask you if it's video based or music based. I'm just going to choose video based and save it. Then it will open up your gallery. So just select the video that you want to edit. So here is the video that I want to edit, so I'm just going to tap on next and it will import the video right here. So you can change the orientation of this, so you can just tap on this and then change it to 9:16, or you can just rotate it to fit in the screen. So just tap on the video and you can just rotate it to make it vertical like so. So you can change the aspect ratio to 9:16 now, and after doing this you can set this so that it fits the screen perfectly. And finally, what you want to do is import a new video from here. Just tap on this plus icon right here to import a video that is the rotate your phone notice. So let's just import the video first. Alright, so here is my edit video, so I'm just gonna tap on this. Now you can find this clip anywhere on the internet, so it's basically free. You can find it anywhere. So it says something like rotate your phone, and then the video starts playing. You can even add some transitions in between if you would like this. So it will fade out and then come back in like so, and then you can simply export the video. That's it for this video. I'll catch you guys on the next one. Thank you for watching.